Hey, good Saturday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather update for this May the 18th, 2013. Scattered showers and thunderstorms will continue to plague our forecast the next several days. Not expecting very much in the way of letting up on that part. We have a frontal boundary basically sitting on top of us today, and that's allowing for the showers and thunderstorms to continue to pulse up and pulse down. Earlier today we had a fairly heavy downpour in Greenville, and it stayed on top of Greenville for about 2 hours. Then the sun came back out, and now we have another shower on top of us across Pitt County. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots across the network this afternoon. Here's the look from the Seahawk Inn and Villas down at Atlantic Beach. Just a nice scene down there, some sunshine filtering through the high-level thin clouds. Just a few light showers down in Carteret County, but not as much as we've seen deeper inland, and that's likely going to be the trend going into tonight and going into tomorrow as well. And here's the look from the Hampton Inn from Greenville Boulevard, looking back off towards the west. Some heavy downpours. You actually can kind of see them off in the distance. Most of the shower activity right now is on the east side of town. And also we're seeing some heavier downpours on the west side of town. They're kind of splitting Greenville in the middle, but we've seen a few showers making their way here in the central portion of the city over the past, say, 10-15 minutes or so. Alright, here's the water vapor imagery and the vorticity from this afternoon. And you can see the upper level low that was over Arkansas yesterday, now over Illinois, actually Indiana and Kentucky. That's spreading some moisture across our area, and we have a frontal boundary, a surface frontal boundary that's basically laying itself right through here. Big time trough digging down into the Four Corners region. Severe weather outbreak unfolding as we speak across this portion of the United States, western Kansas, western portions of Nebraska, also the panhandle of Oklahoma up into South Dakota. And here's the risk area for this afternoon. All right up and through here, that's the moderate risk for severe weather today, and already starting to see some of those, starting to see the cap break across those portions of the United States. We're underneath the C-Tex today, a general thunderstorm risk, and obviously you've seen that today if you've been out and about. Scattered hit and miss showers and thunderstorms this afternoon across eastern North Carolina, and I think that's going to be the story going into tomorrow as well. Alright, here's the 12Z model run of the 4-kilometer NAM, the high-res NAM. Initialization was a little rough this morning across eastern North Carolina. We saw those pop-up showers and thunderstorms really start to blow up across the central portions of the viewing area. I think this is depicting these a touch north than where they actually are at today. So shift this line down in through the Highway 264 corridor. That's actually where the boundary has laid itself across this afternoon, and that's why we have seen an increase of showers and thunderstorms today. We'll fast forward, and I think by the end of tonight, I think a good portion of the east will have seen at least a little bit of rain today. Once again, still scattered showers and thunderstorms. We go into tomorrow morning. You may be able to get out and about tomorrow morning without the rain gear, but I would keep it all day, because definitely scattered showers and thunderstorms, they will be random to pop up on top of you, and we'll run about a 50% chance for a shower or thunderstorm for tomorrow across the east. Some of which, like I said, could be on the strong side, but not expecting any severe weather at this point. This is as that upper level low that actually is over Kentucky right now will actually rotate around into our neck of the woods. That will actually enhance the potential for some stronger storms tomorrow. And we go into Monday morning, and still with chances for showers and thunderstorms, and looking at that would be a better chance for areas east of US 17 if that were to come correct. Alright, here we go on the 12Z GFS run, and looking at this afternoon, upper low has really just lost its nastiness that when it was over Texas earlier this week that brought the severe weather down there, has really just kind of fallen apart today. We translate into tomorrow, and it's over top of us. And with the cooler air up in the upper atmosphere, I wouldn't be surprised to see a few hailstones coming out of some of these storms either tonight or tomorrow across the east. And here's that big time storm system that's going to be moving through the central plains going into tonight and tomorrow. Here's where it's going to be tomorrow afternoon, and the severe weather risk will likely be up and through here, including northwest Arkansas, the western portion of Missouri, and eastern portions of Kentucky. I take that back. Nebraska and Kansas and Oklahoma tomorrow. So definitely a bad situation for them. Ridge building in here as we head through the latter half of Monday. That's going to bring temperatures up just a smidge, but we still have this little bit of energy on top of us, so we're not going to let it go away just yet. I think we still stay with chance for rain showers on Monday. And also for your Tuesday. Here's Tuesday afternoon, still with that little impulse of energy on top of us, but the ridge is now built in across eastern North Carolina, or at least trying to build in. And then we also have this this bowling ball low back off to the west. Once again, still spreading chances for severe weather across the central plains. Wednesday, we're underneath the ridge of high pressure at that point, but there's just a little bit of energy along the coast that could allow for some sea breeze showers and thunderstorms that afternoon. Not going to go completely dry just yet, but I think maybe some clouds and also temperatures back up into the mid-80s at that point. We'll go into Thursday. Trough trying to get through in here on Thursday. Now, there are some model differences between the GFS and the European model. The GFS, a little bit on the slower side. The European gets it on out of here fairly quickly and is about a day faster. I think we're going to have to wait a little while until we can get a little better understanding and the models come to a better consensus before we can nail down what will happen Thursday, Friday, Saturday as far as storm chances are concerned. But this is correct, and looking at the European's a little bit more. It's a little bit more aggressive. Obviously, we're getting the trough out of here, but also with the storminess that could potentially be here across the east. So we'll watch that very closely. We still got a couple days out, and we're going to post a chance for showers and thunderstorms for Friday and Saturday of this upcoming week. But still, like I said, the GFS a little bit on the slower side with this system getting through here. It would likely hang it around through Friday and Saturday, but the European is Thursday night and goes and gets it on offshore by Friday. Here's Friday afternoon on the GFS, and once again, that trough basically on top of us at that point. And then here we go next Saturday. And there's your positively tilted trough with a little low on over northern Virginia. And once again, that would bring us a chance for showers and thunderstorms in the end of the run. Things starting to clear out for us, but I still think that showers and thunderstorms, still a slight chance for that happening if that were to come to fruition. Down to the surface, once again, scattered showers and thunderstorms for tonight going into tomorrow as well. We'll fast forward into tomorrow. Like I said, there's going to be hit and miss showers and thunderstorms. Not everybody's going to get wet. Not everybody's going to see rain all day. But it's going to be one of those situations where it's going to be sit, wait, and watch whether or not your grass grows or not. So definitely one of those things that we'll continue to watch tomorrow. And like I said, some of which could be on the strong side, but not expecting any severe weather. Here we are Monday, still with the chance for showers and thunderstorms. Not going to be letting up anytime soon. Europeans still showing that same trend as well. Here's Tuesday afternoon, and you know what? The GFS is really starting to paint some heavier downpours on Tuesday. You know, we had about a 20% chance for rain. I bumped it up to a 30% chance for rain for Tuesday. Reasoning why? Because we'll still have a little bit of energy on top of us that could bring us some rain chances on Tuesday. Yesterday, I think we had it about 20. I bumped it up to a 30 today. Still with temperatures up into the 80s, but still, once again, these are going to be these random showers and thunderstorms that pop up and crop up across eastern North Carolina. Here's Wednesday. GFS a little bit more aggressive, but I think this would be a day that we would likely see a little bit more in the way of diurnal pulsing. I think through the afternoon hours you'd see better chances of rain rather through the entire day seeing equal chances or so. So this would be a day that we would see more so afternoon pulse type thunderstorms, but even that's going to be on the low end. Going into your Thursday, once again, same type of scenario, pulse type thunderstorms that afternoon. But if you look at the European, it's a little bit more aggressive, and we're talking about potentially a cold front pushing through here on Thursday night into Friday. So once again, we're watching that one closely to see how that all evolves through the next couple of days. Friday on the GFS, still looking like we would be seeing rain showers with the cold front pushing through the area. Here's the Saturday, and we're starting to clear out, but still with the chance for showers and thunderstorms through the morning time hours and the end of the run. And with that energy on top of us, I can't rule out maybe 1 or 2 sprinkles here and there on next Sunday, if this verifies as we head towards the latter half. And that'll do it for me today. I'll be on tonight at 6 as well, 7 on WNCT, 10 o'clock on the CW, and 11 o'clock back on WNCT. You can always keep up with us on Facebook, Twitter, and WNCT.com for the very latest on all these storms that will be popping up across eastern North Carolina here in the next couple of days. Hope you guys have a great day and a great evening across the east. Video should be up at the normal time tomorrow. Today we were out and about. I was down in New Bern for the Shredathon this afternoon, so that's why the video is a little late today, but I think tomorrow we'll be back on regular schedule. All right, have a great evening. God bless.